This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ngut ketau Akash Rajput, Vijay Singh Chauhan, but Akash Thakur, Kibla Shimmy Jingem Raja Rakuvanshi, Arfly Trek Jumangar Chapsan, the Kijing Ainong Sonam Rakuvanshi, but Panyat Padu Chunka Raj Singh Kushwaha, Hakibanta Chai Way Sodong, Leo Jingtip Bugla Bud-Dien, Hakajing here should do Molket, the Scooty, Bakishimwa in Shillong. Habakran Shilar Patai Kubor, Ashish A, IPS, additional SP, East Castles District, Hakarway Trek Ujili Chapsan. Hadian Bad-Dien Bishar ya borok sangut hayang kashari ulang bakacing penyabi Raja Rakuvanshi kadai haki benta katika kshay haka arfor trek uchumang archapsan kasonambor Raja gila poi shimo lakiat daka Scooty bagi shimo ina kiting road badi har shnong riat handrai shapang kitigi laingut layo jingtep lengbau tour guide uba Albert Prie uba lap iki bad ki syukurim ki badang kiurun kat nanong riat shimo lakiat haka arfly trek uchumang archapsan kasngi kibla khenca ya kitigi syukurim nakijingwan kai honeymoon chungki ya ka media buraja lalap naret arliang ajar kshay way saudang haka artrek ujilio archapsan karbaik sonampat amlap satya Kecimbom lap yaka kala pensuba bakala banung keti penyap yalau kurem kebala pau syai khandai trek ujulia warchapsan da kecing syakem jongka bad kita isangun.
On presentation in the court today, they have been remanded back for 8 days of custody. See, they had also rented a Scooty only. So basically, rented Scooties with which they travelled. Yeah. See, extensive technical analysis, extensive human intelligence also has been deployed, and a lot of analysis went into zeroing upon who the actual culprits were. So based on that, we zeroed in on these people, and that's how we've gone on.
CCTV cameras and all.
See, we live in a the world of technology. So a lot of things in the domain have come to our aid. The primary steps would be to first talk to these arrested accused, so that we can understand the larger conspiracy at play, how things fell into place and how these actions were created. We have certain idea as to what happened and how it happened. Now we'll go back and talk to them and to figure out and to clearly establish their contribution to the crime. The thing is, I've been explaining the whole day today. So we got, the Meghalaya police got one of the accused in its custody at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. The others reached around 11:30. So, and after that we've been busy in the process to take them to the court. So we've not had ample opportunity to interrogate them, to ask them certain questions that we have. But now that we have the remand, we will definitely start on that starting tomorrow.
Are you happy with 8 days police custody?
See, we had asked for 10 days custody to start with, but whatever we've got, we'll make good of that. See, in due course of investigation, if we find anybody is a person of interest, we will definitely summon, if need be, call them here, so that we can take down the statements. That being said, investigation is still ongoing, and a lot of things may crop up. So we'll have to see what all comes in due course of time. From our preliminary investigation, we are of the belief that the incident happened somewhere around that area only. From the information that we have, from the evidences that we've collected, that area, the crime happened somewhere near the place itself.
Halor kecing punwan nur biangi kamrunar belaja lani crime scene reconstruction u additional SP ulong ban sale eka lada Donkam.
See, crime scene recreation is a necessary step but not essential. So in the due course of investigation, if we find that it is necessary for us to do, which eventually will come up, we cannot pinpoint a particular day or a particular date when we'll definitely go and do that. During the course of investigation, if we find there are certain grounds wherein we need to recreate the scene, we will go and do that.
And what is the next course of action? What you will do next?
So thank the people who have been instrumental in helping us open this case up. We are also thankful to the guide whose crucial clue guided us in the investigation, and in general the whole state of Meghalaya, how they have come after us. They have been they have been behind us right from the start when the the national media was against us. So we stand by the people of Meghalaya, and we will strive to work for them going forward also. We are working to make it even more watertight so that the case can be good to go for prosecution.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F. ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.